I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, all your profile. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on certificates here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just add here, so you have to get here begin English or intermediate English here, or advanced or fluent. Just click on it like this, for example, and here pay now. Here for this, you just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here, and add your debit credit here. Then it's going to get with you here on your Tandem app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.